Hey you guys. Alright, so I'm currently getting ready because it's Diamond's birthday today, which is my boyfriend's sister, and we are getting ready. I'm about to take this scarf off. Okay, you're late, whatever. Pick up the day by me. Okay, period. And we're supposed to be going to a brunch space in Brooklyn, and afterwards, as I hear, we're supposed to be going bowling, but I don't know what we're gonna honestly do after. Hopefully it's something fun, but some part of me is like, what's the point of doing makeup whenever the mask still applies? So I don't know, but I got this silk mask. I got it from Amazon. It's kind of like the dupe of a slip mask, but it's doing the job. It's doing the job. But anyways, you guys, I just want to come tell y'all what I'm doing today, and I will check you when we get either on the train or to Brooklyn. So peace out.
And this over here. What is the other one? Right here?
Yes! Wow!
Want me to pour for you?
Thank you.
No problem.
I'm at the club with them guys from my team. Me in the car. Gotta share some presents.
It never rains on my birthday, but y'all still came out.
Yeah.
I appreciate y'all.
I called out of work for you.
Yay!
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. And it's an anniversary. It's your anniversary.
Hey, my cancer boy done pulled up for the gift.
My cancer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Ooh.
He got the pink dress.
bowling right now. Got our lane. Here we're booking. Huh?